Let's get back out to Elise Finch. She is outside the CBS 2 Broadcast Center, where it is still snowing right now. And Elise, I know your audio was so rudely cut out the last time. It's good to see you again.
I know. Good to see you guys. Yeah, so take a look here. We're on 57th between 10th and 11th here, so we're looking down the street. You can see things look good. Now, I want to point out something about this particular sidewalk that I'm standing on. And Mike, if you can get a good shot here, you can see that green salt. One of the things that we have to remind you, especially here outside the CBS Broadcast Center, is this is one of the most well-tended to sidewalks in the tri-state area. There is a team of people. There's a team, and all they do is shovel and scrape and salt hour after hour. So yeah, can you see those guys over there? So they're always busy keeping this clear. But you'll notice in a lot of places, especially in Manhattan, across the city, where we have this urban heat island, where even though we've had 4 or 5 inches of snowfall, that's not necessarily what you see on the sidewalks or on the roadways. Also want to draw your attention. Tony Aiello mentioned this, and he's right. This snow has a pretty significant moisture content to it, so it's perfect for making snowballs. Generally speaking, when we talk about snow to liquid, we're talking 10 to 1, roughly. So it takes about 10 inches of snow. If you melted that down, you'd get 1 inch of liquid, or 1 inch of rain, let's say, in the rain gauge. So as you take a look here at the streets, and you can see, yeah, we've got these big fluffy flakes. They're coming down, and they've been coming down pretty steadily around the area. But again, certain locations, especially across the city, it's just not accumulating. But these roads, again, very well treated. They've been salted and sanded, and they continue to. So, of course, as after sunset, and Lonnie's been mentioning this, it's a tough time of year to get significant snow accumulations. But as the temperatures fall after sunset, we could be looking at a very different story, especially because at that time we're still expecting to see some steady snow coming out of this nor'easter. So we still have several more hours to deal with the steady snow, more accumulations. So it's not over yet, folks. If you like the snow, that's a good thing. All I keep thinking is this. This is the kind of snow that most people would love to see Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. The first and second day of spring, not so much. and nonetheless, this is what we're dealing with. So with that, you guys, I'll send it back to you.
It sure is.